Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. Today, I've got an updated guide for 2025 on how to download GTA Vice City on your PC or laptop. This process is super simple, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google. Search for Rockstar Games. You'll see the official website in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Rockstar Games website, use the search bar to look for GTA Vice City. You'll see a list of games pop up, including GTA Vice City. This is our first source for downloading the game. Now let's move on to our second source, Steam. Open the Steam app. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from their official website. Once you've got the app installed, sign up if you don't already have an account. It's quick and easy. If you're already logged in, no worries, you're all set. Simply use the search bar to type GTA Vice City. Click on the game and you'll be directed to the GTA Vice City page. It'll hit View page. On the game page, scroll down to find the Premium Edition. This is the official version of GTA Vice City. All you need to do is click Add to Cart, proceed to Checkout, and select Purchase for Myself. After completing the payment, the game will start downloading. Easy, right? And that's it. That's how you can download GTA Vice City in just a few simple steps, whether you're using the Rockstar Games website or Steam. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and, of course, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching HowToHub. See you in the next one.